Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am in my hometown, and then right now I'm going to go to the market. Actually vehicles are going, but I missed the vehicles, and yeah, I was a bit late. Yeah, so now I'm going to the market to buy something for my some interesting thing. This is the lifestyle of the village, so I'm trying to do something, yeah, in the village. I hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, see the village road, our village road. Oh, wait. Hey. Wait, I'm carrying something, huh? My bag for my friend. Some fruits for my friends. You want to see? Oh, guys, is it clear? Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is the village condition right now. I'm alone. I just love, my own company, especially with this kind of nature surrounding, guys. Yeah, guys, so yeah, sooner actually we have two different roads. The good road, the blacktop road is down there where the vehicles used to go, and this is the village, old road now. So I'm going from the village old road. Yeah. We'll try something. Life is so good, guys. Oh my god. This, the surrounding, right? The trees, these greeneries, they are my type. Yeah, guys. So guys, I will catch you in the next video. Yeah, if possible, if today is possible, then I will try to vlog my market, means Napati market na. Yeah, I will try to vlog for you guys if possible, because the shop is going to close by 2 p.m. like that, and right now it's already late. It's already like 11:10 or something, like 11:17. Yeah, so yeah, if I have got time, I have got time, then I will try to vlog for you guys. Life is so good, guys. Oh my god, I just love, yeah. Woo. So guys, thank you so much. I love you all, guys. Bye bye.